Dear students, today's topic is schemas for the multidimensional data model. As we know, entity relationship data model is basically used for the relational database system, where the database consists of the set of entities and relationship between them. But the data warehouse requires more concise and subject oriented data model. Okay, so for that purpose, data warehouse use the multidimensional data model that can exist in the form of star schema, snowflake schema, and fact constellation schemas. So these schemas, we will see the schemas one by one. Star schema consists of a central table that is called as the fact table, and it is surrounded by the dimension table. So fact table consists, this is the diagram of the star schema. It consists of the central table, that is the sales fact table, which consists of all the keys like time key, item key, branch key, location key, and these are the measures: units sold, dollars sold, and average sales. Okay, so that is called as the fact table, and these are the dimensions tables which are linked to this sales table. So this star schema is for the all electronics shop for the sales subjects. Okay, so this means, that is why the sales is the fact table which consists of the keys and the measures. So without no redundancy. Okay, and these are the dimension table: time, branch, item, and location. These are the dimension table, and each dimension table is having a attributes. Like the time dimension table is having the attribute like time key, day, day of the week, month, and quarter, and year. Branch dimension table is having the keys, the attributes like branch key, branch name, and branch type. Okay, so these dimension tables are linked centrally to the sales fact table like the star schema. That is why it is the star schema. See here, the branch key is linked with the branch key of the sales table. Item key is linked with the item key of the sales table. Day of the week, time key is linked with the time key of the dimension table, and location key is linked with the location key of the location dimension table. And these are the measures means some numerical value. Units sold means number of units sold, how many computers are sold, how many printers are sold, that is the unit sold. And dollar sold means the sold amount of the computer. Okay, so these are the measures. So this is the star schema, but the disadvantage of the star schema is it does not reduce the redundancies. Here the redundancies are there, for example in the location key. Okay, if the location is of Jalgaon, and second branch is in Dhule. Okay, so in this case state is Maharashtra, so Maharashtra state is common to the Jalgaon and Dhule. So here it is a redundancy, so that is reduced into the next, that is snowflake schema.